Hello and welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate how NAC policies can automatically apply QoS policies to manage FortiSwitch ports based on connected client devices. This capability extends NAC-based port control by allowing different bandwidth limits to be applied dynamically when devices match specific NAC policies. We will begin by creating two QoS queue policies. Each policy defines a different maximum bandwidth limit in kilobits per second. Next, we will create two QoS policies and associate each one with its corresponding queue policy from the previous step. Now, let's create a NAC policy that matches the client device's MAC address. Assign the device to the designated VLAN, and then select the appropriate QoS policy. Next, we will configure the FortiSwitch ports connected to the client device to operate in NAC mode. Now, change the operating mode of the second port to NAC. Next, we will verify that each client device has matched the appropriate NAC policy. From the FortiSwitch CLI, verify that the appropriate QoS policy has been applied to each FortiSwitch port based on the matched NAC policy. On the client device matching the sales NAC policy, begin downloading a file from the internet. Next, begin another file download on the client device matching the engineer NAC policy. Access the FortiSwitch CLI and examine the QoS queue statistics for the port carrying the sales client's download traffic. The measured rate is limited to 1 megabit per second, consistent with the configured QoS policy limit. Now, examine the QoS queue statistics for the port carrying the engineer client's download traffic. The measured rate is limited to 2 megabits per second, consistent with its configured QoS policy. This confirms that NAC policies can dynamically apply different QoS policies to managed FortiSwitch ports based on the connected client device. Thank you for watching.